Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths Wala Suraj Mato, and today we have about another video for you. And as you know, we have started with the Octa tutorial playlist, and this is our second video. In the first video, we have seen how to create a free integrator developer account. Today we will go through the dashboard of it, in which we will see all the sections like where you can create your applications, where you can create your users, groups, how can you manage your users and group there, and also we'll see like a report section, security section, authentication and all. Like you will have a brief idea about if you want to do anything in which section you will find that you will get to know from this video. And at last we will also see the users dashboard, that how does it look, and we are ready to move forward. Let's go. So as you can see, you just need to go to login page, enter your credential, like username and password. Once you entered it, you will be asked for code. Kindly use your Okta Verify app. As I have already mentioned in the last video, you must have downloaded it. And after that, you just need to enter that code. Once you enter the code, you will be logging into your Okta. And after that, we will be exploring each section one by one. So first we will see the user section. You need to go to directory, index people, and here you can see you will find all the users here. For you can also create user, you can assign roles here, like activate or deactivate user. Also you can change password of the user and all. Although you can do from here only. Also you can delete user also. Group is basically collection of user. Basically we will use group. Suppose we have created one application. Okay, suppose Google application, and if I have to assign this application to number of users, so I have to assign all to each users one by one. So what I will do, I will just create one group and assign simple group to that Google application, and all the users will be assigned automatically. So for that we use group only. And once you want to create application, you just need to go to application, and once you click on create application, you will find options like OIDC, SAML and all. And apart from it, one important section for us is you can go to security section. Here you can find authentication and password setting and all the rules you want to write for password. And apart from it, MFA and all you can configure it here. And apart from it, another important section for us that we are going to cover in upcoming tutorials videos, that is identity provider, in which we can create OIDC, SAML asset, in which Okta will be act as service provider, and our application will be act as identity provider. And at last, report section is there. Here you can track all the logs of the user, like who has changed the password, which user has login through which application. All the if a login with any application fail, you can find it from here, like what is missing and why it is not successfully login. All these things you can find in the report in system log. Okay, and now we will go to user dashboard. Suppose user don't have admin right, okay, then the user will be able to see that dashboard only. They can just use that application which is assigned to them. But if user has admin right, the user will have admin option also, as I have here. So I hope you have understood the whole dashboard of Okta, in which section or what is there. In the upcoming videos, we will see, like in the next video, we will see how to create users and manage group. Okay. So I hope this tutorials is beneficial for you. If you get any benefit from it, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video.